So previously we were doing this exercise where we found that there is an eigenstate, or let's write it like this. So we need to maximize this uncertainty product. And what are the variables? We have the alpha and beta part. So we can start with the uncertainty in Sx. So this is the most general form for a spin half particle. So we know that spin x does nothing but changes the or swaps the plus and minus states. I'll just write it directly. And there is an h bar upon 2. So when we multiply this back, this will give us y alpha. This minus state will also multiply and give me this. Now it will be e power minus alpha. And because the sum is equal to cos alpha. Okay, so this will give us h bar on 2 sin beta cos alpha plus okay, so this is x, and we know that this squared value will be nothing but squared by 4. Squared the square by 4, square by 4, and square beta square alpha. Yes. And square alpha and square beta. Similarly, we can write for spin y over what is by also swap, but it will be your face. So write minus I, of course, and there is h bar upon 2 psi power I alpha 2 psi power 2. So if I take 1 2, we'll have sine beta by 2 power I alpha beta by 2 and 2 minus power I alpha 2 right. If we take this power I alpha minus e power minus I alpha, it will give us okay, one of them will be minus I alpha power plus I alpha. So it will be minus 2I alpha 2 beta sin alpha. You know that sy square will be again square by 4 delta sy square is 2 square by 4 1 minus this component squared. Okay, so when I multiply these terms, I get h power 4 16 minus, so what did we have, cos square alpha sin square beta. Okay, so what can I do now? Can take sine square alpha. Okay. So from the last two terms, we can take out sine square beta. Rest of the part is this, which will add up to 1. And again, I think we can take, okay, so what can we do? Maybe we can further simplify 1 minus sine square beta. This produce cos square beta. Okay, I think so. We are just multiplied and divide with 4 here. So this becomes 4 sine square 2 alpha. And we need to maximize this. So for that we need to maximize this function cos square beta plus by 4 4 beta square 2 alpha. Okay, so if we fix the value of say 2 alpha, right? If sine 2 alpha is plus or minus 1, we mean that 2 alpha is plus or minus pi by 2. This means that alpha is equals to plus or minus pi by 4. Okay, so we can fix the value of alpha, and that would give us, now it will be only a function of beta. Okay. In order to maximize this, well, since sine and cosine are opposite of each other, if I take the maximum part of cos square beta, that would be beta is equals to 0 by pi, so on. So that will give me cos square beta is equals to 1, but sine square beta will be 0. So the maximum value of this is 1. Okay, so we have the maximum values. So finally, x square y square 16 cos square beta is 1 1. So this is just 1, where we have the values like this. So for these values, the uncertainty will be maximum.